All right, so we got our spindle kit put in. It went in pretty easily. The spindles that came with this kit, the holes were tapped, so we didn't have to worry about that part. I took the liberty to anti-seize literally as much as I could. So the nuts that went into the spindles I anti-seized. The nuts on top of the spindle I anti-seized. The bearing surfaces on our idlers I anti-seized. And then our slip joint or our tension idler, I went ahead and took that off, sanded it down, and applied a nice liberal coat of anti-seize underneath the tension slider, and then above it on the bushing nut with the nut or the bolt itself. And everything seems to have gone in pretty easily. So that's good on our side. And so literally the only thing I have left to do is go ahead and hook it up to the mower. I might actually just drive it up onto the driveway over here and slide the deck on under it, since that is how I took the deck off, and it was pretty easy doing it that way. I'm gonna have to look at my notes, because for the deck I have a box of hardware here with some cotter keys and washers in there. Not exactly sure how that all goes back together, but we'll figure it out. But I think it's getting to be dinner time at the Bizarre Furhead Corral here, and we have to put on our belt guards because we want to be safe, and I believe I still have all the screws and hardware for that. If not, we can run back to the hardware store and get those. But yeah, it seemed to have gone back together pretty easily, and I'm hoping that everything looks good. As we can see, hopefully I have the blades on going the right direction. I believe I do. Everything has been final tightened. I used my ginormous 3/8 wrench for that. And I think the last thing we have to do is put it back on the mower and give it a test with that electronic PTO clutch. All right.